Today we're going to unbox the Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. Looks pretty good, so let's get into it. Okay, so it says 22-hour battery life over there. The headphones, Beats Studio 3 wireless. Beats Studio 3 wireless again, and these are the headphones. As you can see, white and golden edition. You can pause this if you want to read this. Now let's start with the unboxing. Let's go. I'm so excited for this, guys. Ooh. Oh. Wow, what a box. Matte black, nothing on the back. Beats logo over here. Yes. Let's open this. How to open this? Like this. Oh. As you can see, change the way you hear sound. Okay. Change the way you hear sound. Goes over there. Oh my god. Headphones are in here. Let's keep this aside for 1 second. What's in here? Okay, so here is the wire which if you wanna like plug it in, you want to hear with the wire, so you can plug this in. Okay, keep this aside. And what's in here? What's this? Could be instructions. Keep this over here. Fast fuel. I don't know what this is, but 3-hour play, 10-minute charge. I think this is a wire to charge the headphones. And what is this called? I don't know.
Carabiner.
Let's keep this aside. Nothing there. Woo! Let's open the headphones. Oh my god. Beats. Oh my god. Oh my god. These look so good. Oh yeah, man. Yes. These look so good. The Beats logo in golden. Beats written over here. I don't know if you can see it. No, actually it's Studio 3 written over here. Beats written over here. Wireless. And let me open this. 1 second. Whoa! Wow! Let's go! Now let's quickly get my phone and then let's see how it connects. Okay guys, quickly first I want to show you how you can adjust the thing like this. You can close this like this. Wow, this is so flexible. Now I have the phone with me. Now let's turn this on. How to turn this on? I guess like this. No, it's like this. Oh yes. It's not yet come. Yes. Guys, I don't know. Oh my god. Oh yes, guys, look at that. Wow. Let's connect it. Connecting. Done. 100%. It shows the battery as well. Guys, this thing is awesome. Oh my god. Wow. Guys, so now I've put a song. Look at this. Come on, I love these headphones. Guys, one second. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn post notifications on. Bye bye.